Alright guys, here we have a Canon T6i. Got this for Christmas, and I'm just gonna do a unboxing video of it. So yep, let's get into it. What is this? I don't know. I guess it's the user's manual. I might not read it. Some sort of software. Yeah. Now let's get to the good stuff. Okay, first off we got the Canon neck strap. Sit that right there. And I guess this is the cable. That's my mom y'all hear in the background singing. Okay.
I want to turn the heat off so bad. I'm cold.
Yep. Y'all heard my mom. She said she's cold.
CG.
I'm already rolling.
Well, you need to stop and redo it.
I can't.
Yes, you can. I'm going to do anything you want to do.
Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay, this looks like the lens. 18 to 55 kit lens.
Is that downstairs?
Nice. It's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be, but yep. And this is the charger. Gotta be the charger. Yep. It's the charger. Sit that there. And next we have the actual battery itself. We're gonna pair you two up together. And let's get to the big boy. Oh. This is, hang on. Bear with me, I'm trying to do everything with one hand. Okay. And here she is, the Canon T6i. It's lovely. Okay, I'm gonna pause it here and throw the battery in, then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back guys, and I got the battery in. Took me like 3 minutes, but let me see if I can power it on for you guys. Okay. Oh, she's on. Yep. That's it. Canon T6i. I'm gonna be using this for my cosplay. Hopefully, I'm gonna start making CMVs, cosplay music videos. And yeah, that's it. I'll be coming back with another video shooting from the actual camera so y'all can see how it looks, and I'll take a couple sample pictures. But yeah, thanks for watching if you watched. I'm out.